Finding the best streaming device can be tough because everyone has different needs. But depending on what content you watch and which platforms you use, picking the right device becomes a lot easier. In this video, I've rounded up the best streaming devices of 2025. Keep watching to find out which one might be the best fit for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Roku Streaming Stick. Want to bring the big screen experience to your TV with just a tiny stick? The Roku Streaming Stick does just that. With Dolby Vision and HDR10+, you get richer colors and a true cinematic experience. Plus, the upgraded processor makes sure apps launch faster and navigation stays smooth. The improved Roku mobile app and long-range Wi-Fi are also great bonuses. That said, Roku's interface hasn't changed much over the years, and you still have to open each app separately to browse new content. Compared to something like Google TV with Chromecast, this feels a bit outdated. But with its solid performance and great price, the Roku Streaming Stick still holds its ground as a top choice. What do you think? Is the Roku Streaming Stick one of the best streaming devices out there? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 4. The Xiaomi Mi Box 4K. The Xiaomi Mi Box 4K, priced at 3,499 rupees, is a solid choice with no major drawbacks. If you already have a good TV or smart box, it's not a must-have. But if you want to get the most out of your TV and enjoy top-notch entertainment, it's definitely worth checking out. With features like 4K HDR playback, built-in Chromecast Ultra, and the ability to turn your TV into a speaker, all backed by an easy-to-use Android TV interface, it's perfect for both basic and high-end TVs. As for competitors, the Fire TV 4K offers Dolby Vision and Apple TV support, but doesn't deliver the same smooth, unbiased experience as Xiaomi. If you want the best TV experience, the Xiaomi Mi Box 4K is the way to go. Number 3. Google TV Streamer. The Google TV Streamer is the fastest and most advanced Google TV-powered streaming device yet. With Ethernet support, you get smooth, uninterrupted streaming, plus Matter and Threads compatibility lets you control your smart home devices with ease. The new processor, combined with Google TV's sleek interface, delivers a fast and seamless experience. But it's not all perfect. The lack of Wi-Fi 6 and hands-free voice control puts it behind competitors like the Amazon Fire TV Cube, 4K, and Roku Ultra. And with a price tag over $100, it makes you wonder, is it really worth it? Does the Google TV Streamer live up to the hype, or should you go for a more budget-friendly alternative? Number 2. Roku Ultra. The 2025 Roku Ultra takes your streaming experience to the next level and is perfect for those who don't want to compromise on speed. It's an ideal choice for people who just want to watch high-quality content and enjoy a fast connection without worrying about too many smart home features. With Wi-Fi 6 compatibility and an Ethernet port, the Roku Ultra delivers powerful performance, outpacing its competitors at the same price point. If you're an Apple user, it offers more freedom with Apple AirPlay support. However, all these features do come with a price, as the Roku Ultra, despite supporting 4K streaming and Wi-Fi 6, is still more affordable than the Apple TV 4K. But if you're on a tighter budget and still want strong performance, the Fire TV Stick 4K will be more than enough for you. Offering similar features at half the price, the Roku Ultra remains an excellent choice for those seeking top-notch speed and reliability. With its simple, user-friendly interface, the Roku Ultra is a great model for those who don't want to sacrifice speed, but don't need overly complex features. Number 1. Apple TV. Apple TV isn't just a streaming device, it's so much more. Sure, it's a bit pricier compared to other options, but in my opinion, it's totally worth it. Why? Because this thing is packed with features that'll make your life more fun, productive, and interactive. It's not just for watching movies and shows. Listen to music, play games on Apple Arcade, and even connect your PlayStation or Xbox controller. It's perfect for working out, viewing your photos on a big screen, or unlocking a better FaceTime experience. Every new feature will blow your mind. It's not just a regular streaming box, it's built to offer so much more. The Apple TV 4K is all about giving you that next-level multimedia experience. If you think it's a bit expensive, don't just judge by the price tag. Every single feature, every new upgrade rewards you with something special. In my opinion, the Apple TV 4K is totally worth every penny for what it brings to the table. Give it a try, and you'll quickly see what a difference it makes.